Trade, tariffs and Trump. What's on PM Modi's US visit agenda? Hi, my name is Neha Viswas and you are watching the Free Press Journal. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has arrived in Washington DC, marking a crucial diplomatic visit. Staying at the historic Blair House, PM Modi's day is packed with significant meetings, but all the eyes are on the high-profile talks with US President Donald Trump at the White House. In today's video, I'll tell you everything that's on the table as Trump and Modi meet. The visit comes amid controversy over the recent deportation of 104 Indian immigrants from the US, with another 487 expected to be sent back soon. Images of shackled Indian deportees sparked outrage back home, raising concerns about the treatment of immigrants. PM Modi is expected to press for a more human approach to deportations, emphasizing India's willingness to cooperate while condemning harsh deportation measures. Trade will be a dominant theme in Modi-Trump talks, given that the US remains India's largest trading partner, with bilateral trade reaching $118 billion in 2023 to 2024. Both leaders are expected to discuss reducing import tariffs and resolving long-standing trade disputes. A critical topic on the agenda is the H-1B visa program, which plays a vital role for Indian IT professionals in the US. PM Modi is expected to advocate for its expansion, given that India remains the largest recipient of these visas. Additionally, India's recent decision to lower tariffs on high-end motorcycles and electric batteries could serve as a goodwill gesture to ease trade tensions. The two sides are also likely to discuss boosting investments in critical sectors including technology and energy. China's rising influence in South Asia will be a crucial aspect of Modi-Trump discussions. Both nations share concern about Beijing's assertiveness, especially in the Indo-Pacific region and the South China Sea. As part of the Quad alliance comprising India, the US, Japan and Australia, both countries are looking to reinforce security cooperation and counter China's strategic moves. Additionally, India's continued engagement with Russia, especially in the energy sector, remains a critical balancing act in the India-US relations. Defense cooperation remains a cornerstone of India-US relations, with both nations prioritizing military partnerships. India is in the process of acquiring 31 US-made drones worth $4 billion, and discussions are ongoing regarding the potential purchase of F-35 fighter jets. The pending acquisition of Apache helicopters for Indian Army and GE engines for India's light combat aircraft Tejas are also expected to be part of the negotiations. PM Modi has repeatedly highlighted the significance of India's partnership with the US. A joint statement from both leaders are expected soon at the end of the visit, reinforcing their commitment to strengthening strategic, economic and security partnerships. As global eyes remain fixed on this high-stakes visit, I want to know your thoughts on this. Do comment below on what you think about this, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Free Press Channel.